www.lovarpassion.com.
Global and good ideas.
Software development and website.
Best oil paintings with music, world art, videos, and entertainment.
CNN I report. Stop insect and rat. No chemical. Save lives and energy.
May love, art, and passion be with you. Hair. Hair replacement attachment cat version.
For more tips and insights about hair system attachment by Love Art Passion, watch our full version. You find link in the end of this video. Attaching hair system wig. Super skin friendly, easy and very fast. Multiple time tape, homemade. Almost no cleaning, no alcohol. Our method enables you to attach and remove wig in seconds and position as long you like. Independent. Use self-produced tape to stick hair system 6 to 12 times on scalp before replacing tape. Tested for years with success. No cleaning of scalp and hair replacement after removing needed. No alcohol, so you won't need much conditioner and hair system stays beautiful a very long time. And non-stop ready to use. No longer wash hair system frequently and no need for a big glue cleaning action. These positive factors work against hair loss and preserves wig. With every hair attaching method, you may lose hair of hair system due to entanglement with tape or glue and hair knot weakness. Sooner or later, you will have to send your hair system to your supplier for repair. Leukoplast standard or similar product.
So it seems there is no similar product. Leukoplast is often used around the world for wound bandage, made by BSN Medical in Germany, produced in Colombia.
We tested only Leukoplast standard, easy to find and buy, mostly found in bandage section of drugstore. Leukoplast tan-colored zinc oxide tape for securing dressings. It contains natural rubber. Waterproof and dirt repellent, which means it is extremely durable in wet and raw environments.
The strong yet gentle adhesive means leukoplast can be worn for extended periods without irritating normal skin. Leukoplast slick or leukoplast waterproof could be better. We did not test both.
Leukoplast and double-sided tape which covers width of leukoplast in 1 or 2 rows.
Produce magical hair attachment tape.
First, stick leukoplast on a clean surface.
Then cover it with double-sided tape. Depends on your double-sided tape. 1 or 2 rows cover all or almost all leukoplast.
The whole magic of the hair attaching method by Love Art Passion consists, by the way, we produce a kind of new tape with new capabilities and purpose out of existing products on the market.
Then again, cover double-sided tape with non-sticky side of leukoplast, sticky side upwards.
Now you made a double-sided leukoplast.
At last, give pressure to your new double-sided magical tape for hair attachment to make sure all layers stick firmly together.
Fix tape on hair system, not too much on edge to avoid entanglement with hair. Special risk when removing hair system from scalp.
You can stick much more tape on wig for stronger hold, but all you put has to be removed sooner or later. In this video, Love Art Passion just shows it done with 8 tapes. 6 to 8 tapes is good for an average daily use, is not too windy conditions.
When tape tends to stick on your fingers and not on hair system, then wet your fingers. The amounts of tapes times you reused it without replacing tape and scalp condition are defining how strong hair system sticks on scalp. When tape no more sticky and hard to remove, stick new tape layer on top. Remove tape after washing hair system. Careful when removing tape. Tear apart warning. loveourpassion.com.
Global and good ideas. Best oil paintings with sounds, world art, videos, and entertainment. CNNI report. Stop insects and rats. No chemicals. Save lives, money, and energy.
loveourpassion.org.
Software and website development. Customized content teamed up with programmers from India.
In 2020, Sendset.com.
New, awesome, and special. Social network with art and freedom.
We love our YouTube subscribers. Only with you we are great and we can impact the world for the good.
May love, art, and passion be with you.